Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami lotus flower that I designed myself. And it's really easy to make, and let's get started. So to fold this model, I'm going to use a square sheet of origami paper. This is 6 by 6 inches. And I actually folded this one from a square that's the exact same size, but it's yellow on one side and red on the other. But I'm just going to use just a standard sheet of origami paper, so it's white on the other side, because this is what most people have. But you know, you can use any type of paper for this model. If you have a sheet of printer paper, and if you want to make it into a square, you can do that too. But it looks better from dual colored paper like this. Alright, so I'm going to make a red lotus flower with a white inside. So we're going to begin with the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half. Unfold, rotate it so the crease you just made is vertical, and fold the other way. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to fold the 4 corners to the center. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and catch up at your own pace. But I'll go a little bit slower. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take these 4 corners we just folded in, and we're going to fold them back out to the edges. So let's do one at a time. So here, I'll zoom in. Take this corner and fold it up to here. And you got that crease here, so that marks where the middle is. Alright, and do that 3 more times. I kind of do have to go faster because I need to charge my camera. It's on low battery. But it should have enough juice in it that I can keep going. Okay, now take this corner, this raw corner, and we're going to fold it up to this edge. And you got that crease there, so it marks the middle. And do that with the remaining 3. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good spring so far. I know I am. My brother's actually graduating high school this weekend, and I'm very looking forward to going. Okay. Like this is what it looks like. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the 4 corners to the center, just like we did before. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this back out, and let me actually make the fold first before I show you. So don't start yet, just wait. Okay, so we're taking this and we're folding it up. And how far do you want to fold it up? Well, what you want is, here, it'll be easier if I zoom in really close so I can show you. There we go. So you want to fold it up so that this point where this edge stops, it's aligning with that point right there. So that edge. So see where this edge meets that point right there? So you want this edge to align with that edge right there. That's kind of a tricky guide mark for me to teach, but I'm doing my best. Oh yeah, just you want to fold it up so that this edge aligns with that edge right there. Okay, you guys see that? Alright, so that's what it looks like. Alright, and do that 3 more times. So I'll show you again. So fold it up so that this edge is aligning with this edge right here. So those 2 points right there meet. And also you got that edge underneath too, as another guide. And you want to make it on this side too. Alright, and make that nice and sharp. So yeah, that was kind of a tricky guide mark for me to teach to you at first, but then I just found out just aligning the edges. Yep, and we're doing that all the way around, by the way. Yeah, be careful when you crease sharply so you don't damage any edges here. There, I can probably zoom out now. Okay, so here we have the lotus flower, and if you want to keep it like this, then you're done. But I'm gonna kind of bend these petals up just a little bit. So I'm making kind of a light fold like this. So I'm folding it up over the edge and just making a light fold. So it's kind of like that. See? So I'm just bending them up a little bit. It just makes it look a little bit better, that's all. But this is optional. Alright, and I'm going to bend these up too. And I'm going to bend these up to taste. So like this. I'm not actually folding them, I'm just bending them. So they stick up a little bit. There we go, like that. And there it is, the lotus flower. So yeah, this is a lotus flower I just designed like before I started the video. Because I just wanted to design something simple for this week. Because I don't really have any more complex models that I designed right now. But yeah, but next week I'll design something hopefully a lot harder than this, if you're in the mood for a complex model. But yeah, this one's really cool and it's simple, and it's really clean. And I actually really like this model too. So yeah, oh, and on this side, it's an 8-pointed star. Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. And you can use this model as a picture frame too. You can stick like a photo in there, or you can draw something and, you know, put it on your wall or something. But yeah, but alright, well, guess it's time for me to be quiet now, so hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this origami lotus flower. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.